First step, gotta set my plan. For a question, make a stand. Hypothesis, gotta keep it tight. Clear and testable, make it right. Choose my method, what's the best? Observation, survey, text. Questionnaire, each item must fit. No bias, no misleading twist.
But wait, what if I phrase it wrong? Suggestive questions lead me on. Icebreakers gone, the answers sway. Reactivity gets in the way. Oh, data's flowing, can't slow down. Building knowledge, break new ground. Clarissa says be precise. Nils reminds me, check it twice. To trust my findings, I must see reliability, consistency. Validity shows if it's true. Intersubjectivity, shared by me and you.
Content analysis, break it down. Formal, thematic, don't mess around. Train my coders, keep it tight. Categories sharp, defined just right. Codebook ready, rules are set. Each concept clear, no place for regret. Enter, intra, test again. If scores don't match, restart, train. Dictionary based or let AI roll. Automate it, make it whole. Train your model, shape the flow. Tune it right to make it glow.
Algorithms scan the text, finding patterns, what comes next. Automation saves me time, processes fast, no waiting in line. But numbers lie if left alone. Check the meaning on my own, no AI sees the whole. I still control the research goal. Oh wait, what if I phrase it wrong? Suggestive questions lead me on. Icebreakers gone, the answers sway. Reactivity gets in the way. Oh, data's flowing, can't slow down. Building knowledge, break new ground. Clarissa says be precise. Nils reminds me, check it twice. To trust my findings, I must see reliability, consistency. Validity shows if it's true. Intersubjectivity, shared by me and you.
Collection's done, now we proceed. Stats to run and thoughts to feed. Insights form, the path is clear. Drafting thoughts, the paper's here.